Hello and welcome to my eBay bulk card lister personal project. So the purpose of this project is to improve on an existing eBay tool called File Exchange. So you can see here are the steps. First, you download a .csv template for the category that you want to list on. You fill it out and then you upload it here. And for each line item in your file, it creates a listing. So this is very efficient and it's simple in theory, but that doesn't mean it's not difficult. So here's what the template looks like. As you can see, there's over 60 inputs here to fill out. It's very tedious, and a lot of these inputs have an asterisk indicating that it's required, but it's actually not the case. A lot of these fields can be left blank, and the listing will go active just fine. And then it's very counterintuitive. So, for example, category here, you would expect to put the name of your category, but it's actually expecting an integer input. So, my project solves these problems by guiding the user with tooltips and drop down menus. And then I also made the form a lot more digestible by hiding obscure information. And so let me just go through this. I'll create a listing. The first step is to create, enter any information that you want to have the same throughout all your listings. So I know condition's always going to be used. So enter that. I'm only going to do Pokemon cards right now. And as you can see, we have more fields now. I select a Pokemon. And this tool is basically specialized for me for my use. So I only list these two card games. In actuality, there's over 100 card games, but since these are the only two that I list, it's the only ones that I implemented. Graded, it's going to be no. But there's another example of if I were to say yes, I would get more information, more inputs. But since I say no, there's no reason to show those. It's another way I hide information, make the form more concise. And like I said, specialized to me, so I have my address here, and you can do enter your own. And I use business policies, so let me just copy paste those real quick. And now I'm continuing. So now this is going to be the information for each individual listing on top of the information already added. So first one's going to be Charizard. And then I'm going to go to an image hosting website. And you can host an entire gallery, but I just chose one image to keep it simple. Yep. Next listing is going to be Bulbasaur. And those are the only two listings I'm going to have. So I'm going to click finish and then download the template. And then I'll open it up, show what it's created. So it's written to this file, all the information. And now if I go to my listings, you'll see I don't have anything, but I'm going to go back to File Exchange and upload the template I just downloaded from my program. All right, now it's complete. So now I'll go back to listings. As you can see now, I have two brand new listings with all the information that I inputted. And then, so that's that. And my program has a lot of quality of life in it as well. So this is an account I've created. I'm going to log into it. So if you have an account and you log into it, you can save templates and it'll have pagination like this. And so I'm going to create an account really quickly. Right. So I registered an account. Now I'm logged in. And if I know all my listings forever are going to have this input field, for example, I can save it. And now this has been created. I can click on it and yep, here it is used. And any other fields I inputted would also be saved. So yeah, that's that. And thank you for checking out my project.